Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add advanced payments in FreshBooks. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add advanced payments in FreshBooks. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel where you have a couple of features which include dashboard. You have clients, you have estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports, and all the way down to settings. So from here, if you want to turn on the advanced payment or the advanced accounting feature in FreshBooks, if you want to add it, this is what you would do. So from the left navigation panel, just right below, you have app, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. So go ahead and click on settings. Clicking on settings is going to take you right into the settings window where you're going to find a couple more features. Do not be overwhelmed. I'm going to show you what exactly to do. So over here you have the first category, which is the business profile, containing basic information, tax and financial information, brand appearance, email customization, notifications, of course, down to the connections and integration settings, which includes the online payment. And then we have advanced preferences, which include the time tracking, recurring templates, and accounting. Now head over to the accounting tab and click on accounting. And that takes you here where you have advanced accounting. Now, once turned on, you will have the same accounting abilities as an accountant. We recommend turning this on only if you have accounting experience or in collaboration with an accountant. So in here, you can manage a chart of accounts structure. You can edit or archive accounts in a chart of accounts, and you can create journal entries, and you can also add advanced payment options. Now, head over here, we have this toggle and toggle it on. So once you toggle that on, then advanced accounting is turned on. So you can add an account and you can now carry on with you can carry on to adding your advanced payments in FreshBooks once you have turned this on. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Now, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.